Just when you think you've seen it all with the iconic Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Mansory comes through and reminds us that there's always room for more drama. In a world where tuning is as much about pushing limits as it is about turning heads, Mansory has gone above and beyond with a creation that could easily be the most outrageous G-Wagen build to date. Enter the Mansory Speranza, a wild, one-off convertible G-Wagen that has everyone talking. Unveiled at the top Marques Monaco event in Monte Carlo, the Speranza might just be the most extreme transformation of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class ever. While the G-Class has been through numerous design iterations and tuning projects over the years, Mansory's take on the SUV is like nothing we've seen before. Imagine a convertible G-Wagen with rear-hinged suicide doors, and you're halfway there. It's a radical take that turns the classic G-Class into an even more head-turning machine. If you're looking to cruise around Los Angeles Sunset Boulevard in something that will certainly get everyone's attention, the Mansory Speranza could be your new favorite toy. But it's not just about looks. There's a chance that Pope Leo XIV, formerly Cardinal Robert Prevost, might need this in his Pope-mobile fleet. Yes, it's that kind of ride. Mansory's vision is truly bold, and it might be exactly what someone in the highest echelon of the Catholic Church would choose for their unconventional transport. The Speranza features an extensive Mansory custom body kit that would likely have Mercedes-Benz designers shaking their heads in disbelief. At the front, you'll find a bumper so unique that it almost seems out of place. It includes a series of 6 LED DRLs running diagonally across 2 of the lower air intakes. Along with this, there are reworked fenders, a sculpted hood, and a color-matched grille that adds even more complexity to the design. Filling out the aggressive stance of this vehicle are massive 24-inch forged wheels. Mansory doesn't do small when it comes to wheels, and this G-Wagen is no exception. These wheels, paired with the overall design, make the Speranza feel like a muscle car on steroids. Now, let's talk about the roof, or more accurately, the lack of one. Mansory has cut the top just behind the windshield, turning this G-Wagen into an open-air vehicle. The collapsible red fabric roof gives it an aesthetic that feels reminiscent of the Mercedes-Maybach G650 Launderette from 2017, a luxury off-roader with a similar open roof design. It's the perfect way to enjoy the sunshine while also showing off an SUV that's turning heads left and right. Inside, Mansory has done what they do best, turning the cabin into a luxury lounge on wheels. The interior is a masterpiece, with carbon fiber accents covering the steering wheel, dashboard, center console, and door panels. The seats are dressed in white and red leather, giving the Speranza an interior that feels more like a high-end hotel lounge than a rugged off-roading vehicle. Performance-wise, Mansory doesn't disappoint either. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine gets a serious upgrade, with bigger turbos and a new exhaust system featuring high-performance downpipes. The result? A monstrous 809 horsepower and 848 pound-foot of torque, which propels the Speranza from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds. The top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour, making this G-Wagen as fast as it is flashy. With a price tag likely soaring into the stratosphere, the Mansory Speranza is a machine meant for the boldest of automotive enthusiasts. Whether cruising through the streets of Monte Carlo or looking to make a dramatic statement, this G-Class offers an experience like no other. So, what do you think? Would you dare to drive this wild, over-the-top convertible G-Wagen?